I've got something that you have to listen to. I went on a trip to the Canadian Rockies with my family, and I shot some stuff with my GoPro. This is audio. This is all audio. Now, notice how it's all kind of peaking? It's all kind of yellow there. Well, that's the built-in microphone from the GoPro. Now, right about there is when I connect the ETM-001 to it with the EWS-003 windscreen. Check out the audio levels here now. Now look at how much quieter those are. They're not actually quiet, it's actually reducing the wind noise. It's actually gone. So have a listen to this, okay?
Edutige ETM-001, EGL-001 adapter cable with the EWS-003 windscreen.
And here's another example of just how much that wind noise has been reduced.
Okay, so what are you gonna do?
I'm going to find it later when I grow up.
What are you gonna find exactly?
My rock.
Okay, let's see, where's your rock?
Looking at this clip, you can see that it was super, super windy out there. But the windscreen completely eliminated, if not dramatically reduced, the amount of wind noise that got into there. It was amazing. Okay, now this clip here is probably the most dramatic, well, not the most dramatic, but it's one of the more dramatic ones where you can really hear the wind noise here. And then once the mic has been plugged in here, you can just hear the difference. I mean, check this out.
Oh, but problem is it going down, car?